No, absolutely no complaint, no issue at all in terms of their quality service. That's why we decided, we choose AireGard, which is proven. SOKA, SOKE, is the term which means value creation. So we are very student focused, more so focused on the happiness of our student. We talk about comfort, of the users of the school, and also safety. So this is our intention, and we want the air circulation to be there. So hence we decided to install AireGard fans to assist in this manner. Comfort is critical. If you notice, we install 4 AireGard fans, right? And the location is such that we have these 2 pavilion, or we call it green plaza. This is sort of with a roof. So wherever the situation of the weather, the students or the teachers can still make use of these 2 plazas to do the activities, sometimes even to do their teaching. So we have a lot of flexibility in that aspect. So we need very good air ventilation, and of course, Malaysia is a hot weather. We need some cool sort of temperature. That's why we decided we choose AireGard, which is proven. No, absolutely no complaint. Fortunately, because I'm in operation, when this major sort of installation have been done, I tend to walk around. I noticed the team were here to install, and they're highly professional. Safety comes first because it's quite high up, and the fan is pretty sizable, right? So that's very important. No issue at all in terms of the quality service.